this video, we are going to schedule a meeting. I repeat, only scheduling a meeting. We are not going to send an invite to any of the participants. So when you log into zoom.us/meeting, you will be able to see a screen like this. There will be Zoom logo, there will be some meetings, there will be some webinar settings, there will be some settings, there is some account profile, there's a schedule meeting, there's a join a meeting, there's a host a meeting, there is this P which shows the profile. You can get some training if you want, but for now, for this video, we are going to schedule a new meeting. So for that, we are going to go in upcoming meetings and schedule a meeting. So let's click there. So the topic of the meeting. So I'm going to show this video with respect to a host. I will be in the subsequent videos, I will be showing you how to accept the scheduled meeting. But for the time being, we are going to see what will be the topic of this meeting. So let's say it's going to be my first meeting. Description, this is a test meeting for demonstrating training. Demonstrating spelling is wrong, and training. Okay, so then after the description of your meeting, which is an optional field, we have to select the time of the meeting. So I'm selecting 1st of August at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You can select the duration of the meeting. It can be 0 to 24 hours because we are on Zoom Pro, but I'm suggesting the meeting is for just 1 hour. You can select the time of the meeting as well, 15, 30, 45 minutes. The time zone is suggested here, which can be a lot of options like Samoa, Hawaii, Alaska, but I am in India, so I will be selecting India, which is plus 5:30 GMT. So here we are, India. Okay. The next field is quite interesting. It's called as recurring meeting. What does this mean? Suppose you want to schedule a meeting every day at 3 o'clock for the next 7 days. Let's say we just click on the recurring meeting. It says every day until 7th of August, which is 7 occurrences. You can say recurrence. Do you want it daily, weekly, monthly? No fixed time. I will select daily. Repeat every day from 8th of sorry to 7th of August 2020, the end date, and the occurrences of repeating are 7. Okay, then the next feature is registration. So if you want your user to be registered for attending the meeting, you have to check this checkbox. We will be dwelling into this deeper in the subsequent videos, but for now I'm just keeping it unchecked. Security password. So whenever a person or your meeting attendees have to attend the meeting, you have to provide this passcode to them, which is 788765. It is a Zoom generated passcode. You can keep it as a whatever you want. I can say 788788 or 788188, whatever I want. It is fine. It will be shared with the participants. Waiting room is something which we are going to be discussing in great detail in the future. For now, I'm just going to keep it checked. Waiting room, I'll just give you an overview. It is something like, unless the host doesn't join the meeting, all the participants should be kept in waiting space. That is called as a waiting room. Once, or in other ways, once the host opens the meeting, all of them can be entered into the conference room, but till the host arrives, nobody can get access to the conference room. Video on off. So this is a setting in which when you launch your Zoom meeting, it has to be, the video option has to be set off. If you set this on, as soon as you launch the Zoom meeting, the host will not be intimidated that his video is on. It will directly be turned on. So it is not a good practice, as it can throw off a few people. So we are going to keep it off. The audio from which you can dial in into the meeting can be telephonic, computer, or both. I am keeping it both for now. And these are the other features. Meeting options: enable join before host. We have mentioned that it has to be a waiting room, so this will be unchecked. Mute participants upon entry. Like if whenever a participant joins the meeting, he should be muted. I will check this. Only authenticated users can join. If the registration is done, then the users will be authenticated to join. Record the meeting automatically. All the meetings should be recorded as soon as they start. I have kept this as off. Alternative host, I am going to uh, tell you in detail afterwards. And after you have set all these parameters, we are going to check on save. And that is it. We have created our first meeting.